Hey friends, today I'm going to show you how to naturally control blood sugar spikes after meals without medication or extreme diets. If you ever feel tired, sleepy, or even get headaches after eating, you're definitely not alone. But the solution is easier than you think. Let's dive in. 1. Apple cider vinegar. Add 1 tablespoon of ACV to a glass of water and drink it 10 minutes before a meal. This simple habit slows down how quickly your blood sugar rises. And trust me, you'll feel the difference. 2. Oatmeal swap sugary cereals for plain oats at breakfast. Oats are packed with fiber, which slows down sugar absorption. Add a pinch of cinnamon for extra blood sugar control. 3. Leafy greens, spinach, arugula, lettuce, kale. Fill half your plate with these at lunch or dinner. They're low carb, high nutrient, and help keep your sugar steady. 4. Avocados and almonds. Healthy fats are your blood sugar's best friend. Try avocado on toast for breakfast, or keep a handful of almonds on hand as a snack. 5. Lentils and chickpeas. Loaded with fiber and plant-based protein, these keep you full and your sugar in check. Add a lentil soup or chickpea salad to your dinner. Your body will thank you. Now, here are 3 simple habits to lock it all in. 1. Walk for 10 minutes after eating. A short walk helps move sugar from your blood into your muscles. No energy crash, no brain fog. 2. Drink lemon water before or after meals. Lemon water helps digestion and keeps your sugar levels more stable. 3. Watch your portions. Don't overdo it. Eating just a little less slows sugar spikes and makes a big difference. Alright, my friend. Today you learned 5 foods and 3 habits that completely transform your post-meal energy. Start small, maybe apple cider vinegar and a short walk today. Add 1 new habit each day. Small steps lead to big change. If this helped you, like this video, subscribe and drop a comment saying, "I'm starting today." We're in this journey of natural health together. See you in the next one.